Jordana and I have a shopping addiction.
I'm Jess and I also have a shopping addiction.
I'm Bella and I also have a shopping addiction.
And let's show you what we bought this week. Bought this set from ASOS and I wore it yesterday. I'm really into my stripy.
I love stripes at the moment.
Sets. This is
Very
my
nice.
other ASOS one. It does look like pajamas, but I like it.
Cute.
Gorgeous.
And we bought this one.
Oh,
It's
I
really
love it.
cute. I wore it on Wednesday.
You
when we
really
went
in your
here, and
pink
it's really
era.
great. These pajamas.
Oh,
Right,
that's cute.
okay.
Tesco. They are like a very soft pink and burgundy stripe. They are so cute and so comfy, but they're expensive for Tesco. They were £27.
Can't be
That's
slagging
enough.
Tesco off it
No,
because
we do
just
love Tesco.
discovered our new obsession, which is the Tesco cafe, guys.
Yeah,
that was toasted.
That was my lunch. So that I got this week were home bits. So I got this chandelier.
Oh, that's gorgeous.
It's just been delivered. It's really beautiful. That's from Dunelm. And then I bought loads of painting supplies because I painted some artwork for my house.
Get your commissions in,
Oh,
guys.
wow.
She's taking them.
So I'm gonna get them framed.
Did you do all of them?
They're so good.
They're so good.
Thank you.
You're an arty girl.
And that's all I bought this week. That's actually quite
That's not that bad for you.
No,
good. Well,
that's
my
good.
chandelier was expensive. On the chandelier.
Oh, I love it.
This is my first week. I got this set from Sisters and Seekers, which I really love. The matching bag is what sold it to me.
Stuff that is like matching from
Yeah.
shoulder to toe.
Oh,
I need to bring out with that though some like Birkenstock style slides, and then you'd literally be head to toe. Like that would be so cute.
You should pitch that.
Sisters and Seekers, Alice, listen up. I think you needed to do some slides with that because it would have looked even cooler.
Stripy slide. And then my last thing, I got a car.
It's gonna be high up on the street.
Whoop, we're going to be skirting to work. But I couldn't get any other clothes this week because of that reason. So next
That's
week,
fair enough.
I'll be back.
Sabrina's new album, Vinyl. It's the one
Everything.
Jordana's got.
Got it in burgundy.
Yeah.
Look at my basket.
That is
Look at that.
amazing.
That is the best shaped blazer in the world.
Go for it last sharing. I love it.
need
It
to
makes
use
such a
it.
difference when you actually use them.
It does.
Machine order, but this is what I've got in the basket so far. Stripe, you've made me jealous. I need stripes.
Oh, cute.
Vinyl. I thought, get this. It's a little print that says, if it's
Aww.
nice, play it twice. I got this because I'm going for like a Christmassy theme, but that's also all year round. Mine and my mum's song.
Oh, I love that.
Your heart's my free.
Hunger.
Cute.
Little beach trousers for my holiday and a little
Oh,
polka dot
Oh,
bikini.
I love that.
You in a yellow polka dot bikini. Had a great week in work. Got about got me twinkle sticks in less than a week. A sleigh. Got a delivery of something that is the biggest sleigh you're ever gonna see.
No.
Should we
Tons of
give
stuff.
them a little approximation of when the gummies are coming back?
Pre-order on the website. We're setting that up today. Official restock. I think we're thinking around the 19th of this month if you are waiting on a Gummy Twinkle Stick. So you can pre-order on our website and we'll probably do a launch restock live around the 19th.
But when we actually say order them when they come back in.
I wasn't joking when we said you
We
actually
were.
need to order them.
It's been a pleasure as always.
See you on our next shopping haul.
Ta-da!